Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. In this video, I will show you how to viral your Instagram Reels even without using any trending audio. So how to do this, I will show you in my mobile screen. Your Instagram account. Now I will go to Reels and I will select any video here. For example, I will select this video which is already having audio. I will click on next. Okay, again next. So what you have to do here, you can see there is an option as rename audio. So you have to use a name, you have to use some keywords here in this audio name. For example, long distance audio. Okay, and you can click on save. So the audio name here I have saved, and somewhere if someone is searching with this name, they will find my this audio or my this reel. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.